Hi everyone, my name is Kim Reiss. I'm a manager here at Sugar Creek Gardens in St. Louis, Missouri, and it's a rainy day, so Josh and I thought we would put together a video on the 5 easiest houseplants. First, let's talk about a couple of quick tips and tricks. The number one thing that kills houseplants is too much watering. Better to be on the dry side than the wet side. Also, drainage in your pots is very important. Make sure that the pot has a hole on the bottom. A lot of houseplants like high humidity, so unless your plant is in a bathroom where you have lots of moisture, you can always mist a plant once or twice a week to give it a little shot of its natural environment, and fertilize only during the growing months, so spring and summer. During the fall and winter, the plants are going to kind of go dormant, slow down their growth, so you'll stop the fertilizing and water even less. Plant number 5 is the Chinese Evergreen. It grows in a room with medium to low light, bright indirect light. It likes average soil moisture, so let it dry out between waterings. Grow this plant and you'll look like a professional. Plant number 4 is pothos. You'll see this used a lot in office buildings and lobbies, and there's a reason for that. It's because it's so easy. It comes in different leaf forms. We have a variegated variety. We have this silver leaf variety, and there's also a solid green variety, and golden leaves and lots of other different leaf textures and colors. It likes bright indirect light. Will even go into a darker light situation. Moist, well-drained soil, so start watering it once a week. If it's dry in the top inch of the soil, give it a drink. Third on our list is the Zizi plant. It has this great glossy green foliage, and it really is a plant that thrives on neglect. Drier is better, so maybe water it once every 2 weeks and stand back and enjoy. Number 2 on the list is the spider plant, an oldie but a goodie. It likes bright indirect light or even a darker corner of your room in average soil moisture, so probably watering once a week will be just fine. The variegated leaf also adds a little sparkle to a shadier corner of the room. Our number 1 pick for the easiest houseplant to grow is the snake plant, sometimes known as viper's tongue or mother-in-law's tongue. This is a plant that you really can put in your house, forget it for most of the month. It likes drier soil, so I would start watering maybe once every 2 weeks. It will go in a dark corner or bright indirect light. You'll see this one in office building lobbies often as well, just because it's so easy. There are different varieties that come in different heights. You can see there's a little tiny variety with different leaf textures, some with a yellow stripe, some with horizontal banding. This variety is called Moonshine. It has a silver edge to the leaf. Very pretty. I'm gonna say if you try the mother-in-law's tongue, you're guaranteed for success. That's our list of the 5 easiest houseplants to grow. If you have any questions or run into any trouble, give us a call, 314-965-3070. Visit our website at sugarcreekgardens.com, and happy gardening.